Hey there! It's time for another episode of this Tech Tips series. In this Tech Tips series, we are diving into the exciting world of Powtoon. This episode is part of the Animation 101 Tech Tips series. In the previous episode, we explored how to add images and videos to your Powtoon project. In this video, we now explore how to add audio to your Powtoon project. Are you ready? Let's start. Adding audio. To add an audio track, click on the Audio button. You will then be presented with various options, including Add Music, Voiceover, Text-to-Speech, My Music, My Voiceover, Premium Sound Effects, Premium Music, and lastly, Free Music. If you choose the Add Music button, a pop-up will appear. Locate the file you want to upload and simply drag and drop it to the pop-up or click on the Upload button and select your desired audio file. You can also choose the Fiverr option, which will direct you to the website of Fiverr, or choose Google Drive to get your audio file. For the Voiceover button, you can upload files from your PC, use the text-to-speech, or click record. Some websites are also available to help you choose or locate your desired voiceover, including Google Drive, Bunny Studio, Well Said, and Fiverr. Note that the text-to-speech option is only available for premium accounts. If you prefer to record your own voice, just click the Record button and a VoiceOver tab will pop up. In the VoiceOver tab, you could choose either of the two. You can slide onto the entire Powtoon, so the live audio record you recorded would automatically be inputted in your whole workspace, or you can choose the Add to Timeline if you want your live recorded audio to be inputted on a specific time on your workspace. Take note that the Add to Timeline feature is only available for Powtoon Premium accounts. To record a voiceover, click the Start Record button and a pop-up will appear, asking you to use your microphone. Click Allow, and a countdown will appear. After the countdown, you can now record a voiceover. Once you've finished recording your voiceover, click the Stop Record, and a few settings would pop up. There is the Play button to play your recorded voiceover, a Restart button to restart the play of your voiceover, a Delete button that deletes your current voiceover, and a Save button that saves your voiceover. As we click Save, Powtoon will ask you for a voiceover file name. Once done, click Save. Note that if your voiceover is longer than the slide, a pop-up will appear asking you to either extend the length of the slide or trim the audio based on the length of the slide. Since the voiceover is longer than the slide, click on the Extend Length button. Your voiceover will now be placed on your workspace, where you can adjust it further using the audio control. In your audio control, there are various options to adjust your audio. You can swap the audio track with another one, delete or clear the track, or adjust the volume using the slider button. You can also reduce the soundtrack volume to make your voiceover stand out by clicking the Reduce Soundtrack Volume button. Take note that this feature only works when you already have a voiceover in your timeline. In the My Music button, you can locate the previous music file that you uploaded. Same as the My Music button, the My Voiceover button stores your previously uploaded voiceovers. Powtoon also offers you sound effects and music that are available to use. But note that most of them are available for premium users only. In the Free Music button, you can use free music provided by Powtoon on your project. To find your preferred audio easily, you can use the search bar above. Once results show up, you can play the audio to see if it's what you're looking for. Once you've found the audio you want to use, you can click the Use button and a pop-up will appear, asking you if you would want your audio to be added on the entire video or on the slide's timeline. Take note, Choosing this slide button requires you to have a Powtoon subscription. Hence, we are going to choose the entire video. Now, the audio you chose is already added to your workspace. You also have an option to add a main soundtrack for your project, located at the lower left corner of the screen. And there you have it! You can now start adding audio to your Powtoon project. In the next Tech Tips episode, we will learn how to add animation to your Powtoon project. See you there!